Premom App. So you can see here, period fertility and pregnancy app, quite niche but very popular and high quality app. Get pregnant faster with Premom Smart Ovulation Fertility app. Track your cycles, predict ovulation, monitor a pregnancy. So 1 million women. Again, one of the top apps in this niche. There is also Predad app, and week by week baby growth, pregnancy tracker, cycle period calendar. Learn from house expert, supportive community. Like quite a popular and useful app, surprisingly. So you can see in here a lot of information in here, and it's quite a reputable app. So 50,000 rating, 4.8 average rating. Yeah. And then you can just explore as guest or create an account. So let's see which options are available. And you can see different goals in here. You can see different questions. You can see the details. And then, unfortunately, there is a subscription. 3 months for $18, 6 months $22.49. I wouldn't recommend to upgrade on the first screen because if you want to have a nice deal, usually just close the first offer and then try to kind of come back later. Usually after that, an app can give you a discount for the price. If you do not upgrade the first time, just close the model. After like few seconds, another model can be show up that here is 30% discount and so on. So you see nice tutorials. Then you can see the details. You can see calendar, chart, community. In here, there is your account. SKI ebook. So that's kind of the idea in here. There's a partner code. You can also share it like this. There's a invite code just like that. So that's kind of the idea. So try it out.